everybody, I'm back to talk about a thing called hidden damage. One of the things that happens on a regular basis is people say, I wasn't hit that hard. It doesn't look that bad. Also, I want you to understand that in today's world with the type of cars and the way they're built and designed, an estimate really isn't worth anything, including the paper it's written on, because until the vehicle's been disassembled, we will never ever know how much damage there could be. On this vehicle, I want to show you a couple of things. This was hit in the front end, and as you can see on the bumper cover itself, it looks like there was no damage. It's very common for a bumper cover, these are plastic parts. It's very common for a bumper cover to be impacted and take its shape back. And then consequently, it's going to hide a bunch of damage. Now, I want to show you on this end of the bumper cover, up here at the top, you can see where our technician has marked all these little yellow spots and how here, this bracket that's supposed to be glued to the bumper cover has been broken and torn away. And again, that's invisible until the vehicle is disassembled. Also, I want you to notice here, this bumper absorber, notice how these are all supposed to be filled out. It's broken here, it's broken here, and it's broken way out over here. All this additional damage is invisible with the bumper cover on the vehicle. Also, you'll notice up here, the technician, here's 4 different brackets that hold this bumper cover on. Again, the yellow is showing you where the vehicle, these brackets specifically, have been damaged. If you look here, here's a bunch of one-time use only rivets that hold this black retaining molding here in place. Again, we don't know that we need all those rivets till we disassemble it. We don't know that we need all these brackets until we disassemble it. It's one of the reasons why there's often what the initial estimate is and what the final repair plan comes out to is completely different. You'll notice in here, even the AC condenser's got damage to it. This AC condenser, AC air conditioning condenser, it's a very expensive part. We have to evacuate it if the Freon hasn't been escaped already, and then recharge the air conditioning system either way when we replace that condenser. So I wanted to make this video to show you that 100% disassembly will reveal all the damage. It will reveal all the parts, the hardware, the fasteners that need to be replaced. You're never going to have a complete price on what it's going to cost to repair your vehicle until it's been completely disassembled. But hidden damage is very, very common in almost every vehicle. And like I said, looking at this vehicle and that front bumper cover, you'd think there was no damage at all, but that's because it flexed, took its shape back, and then it hid all this damage, and it was all of this was invisible with the vehicle still assembled. So remember, an estimate is just that. It's really not accurate at all until the vehicle's been disassembled. 100% disassembly, we call it. Blueprinting is what this part here is. We blueprint all the damage, all the broken parts, all the fasteners, and now we've got an accurate repair plan. And that's what needs to go to your insurance company. So remember, be safe and have fun.